Okay, so now we're going to talk about generics. Okay, generics are basically allow you to not just have single type when you pass passing values to a function or a method. You can use multiple types. It allows flexibility. So for example, this so so let's say we're gonna kind of iterate, right? We're gonna get the index of a value, right? This is a very simple example. Let int array. Okay. And now we have a string array. Tyson. Okay. So Jesus Christ, I don't understand why this thing is doing this. Arrow spins, bud, forward. Okay, so I have two arrays. Now I need to go ahead and get index. Get as all right. Okay, Lee. Okay. So what I'm going to do is iterate through them, and whatever the index is, return it, right? Or okay. Oh shit. Target. This should do it. Okay. Int array target 4. It should return 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. That's 4. Now, however, say we want this function to be flexible enough to accept strings and get the index. Simple. Right here. This is a generic type right there. It's a placeholder. And you're going what it does is either you're going to put in a type down here for it to adhere to, or it'll be inferred. Okay. T. T. Okay. Let's see. Now, right here, this doesn't work, right? And why doesn't it work? Because the constraints help it. So if I want this to be string, we both know that integers and strings both adhere to what protocol? We know it. Equatable and comparable. Doesn't matter which one we pick. I'm gonna take equatable because it's an equal sign. We can use comparable as well. Equatable. Now I run this same thing, but you know something? If I change this to struct array and I pick arrow spins, 0, 1, 2, 3, arrow spins. Okay. Of course, if a arrow spin says, it should be nil because there is no arrow spins in there, right? Okay, so this is an example of an array, right? And of course, it was inferred what type. Why? Because I passed in an array of strings. So it was inferred that this would be string. And another thing too, we use the equatable constraint. So it looks at things that are that conform to equatable. Of course, if you watch the protocol videotape, you know what that means. All right. So on to the next. On to the next.